A pulley has a radius of 4.3 centimeters. And it tells you that it takes 6 seconds for 20 centimeters of the belt to go around the pulley. We need to be able to find the angular velocity of the pulley in radians per minute. In this case, they are giving you the radius to be 4.3 centimeters. And they also tell you that it takes 6 seconds, so that the time will be 6 seconds for 20 centimeters of the belt to go around the pulley. Let's go and make a quick try. So we do have a pulley, and there's a rope that's around the pulley. So after 6 seconds, they are going to be 20 centimeters. So what does the 20 centimeters represent? The 20 centimeters represents the S, which is the arc length. I need to be able to find the angular velocity. So I need to be able to find which variable do I need to use for angular velocity. Will be W. Now remember that 6 seconds for 20 centimeters, that goes together, cannot be separated. So I need to find W. There are two formulas that we need to be able to remember for your angular velocity. The first one will be angular velocity is equal to the angle divided by the time. Now they don't give us the angle anywhere, so therefore we're not able to use this equation. The other equation that has a W will be V is equal to RW, and that's the formula that I'll be using. Now we do have the R, the radius, and we're looking for W, so therefore I need to find the linear velocity. Remember, the linear velocity, the equation for linear velocity is S over time. In this case, they give you both. So linear velocity is equal to 20 centimeters over 6 seconds. I do need to be able to convert my seconds into minutes. So therefore I'm making my conversion chart here. And I know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So therefore my seconds cancel out. So my linear velocity will be 20 times 60 and then divide by 6. So 20 times 60 then divide by 6 will be 200. Or you can just cancel that 6 and then multiply by 10. Gives me 200 centimeters per minute. And I want to plug that in. So I have 200 centimeters per minute is equal to R, which is 4.3 centimeters. Remember that we have to be careful. In this case, they both are centimeters. If not, we'll have to do the conversions. And then multiply by W. To solve for W, I'm going to divide by 4.3 on both sides. And that gives me 200. Divide by 4.3. And that gives me 46.5. So your speed will be 46.5 radians per minute.